गुरुर एव सखा प्रिय गुरुर एव परम दैवम तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
The Guru is mother, the Guru is father, the Guru is also a dear friend. The Guru is the highest divinity itself. To that Guru we bow. A very warm welcome to this beautiful August gathering. I, Shubham, wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day in advance.
नमस्कार. आज मैं अदिति सभागार में उपस्थित सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की अग्रिम शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ. जिस प्रकार गुरु की छोटी शिक्षा भी जीवन में अनमोल होती है, उसी प्रकार आज हम एक छोटी सी अग्नि प्रज्वलित करेंगे जो आशा करते हैं कि हम सबके दिलों में ज्ञान की ज्योत बनकर सदैव जलेगी. हम ये दीप जलाकर अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर, अज्ञानता से ज्ञान की ओर और निराशा से आशा की ओर बढ़ने का संकल्प लेते हैं. तो उसी पवित्र अग्नि को प्रज्वलित करने के लिए हम आदरणीय अध्यापक गण और आज के प्रमुख अतिथियों को मंच पर आमंत्रित करते हैं.
शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनस।
हम अपने सभी अतिथियों और शिक्षकों का धन्यवाद करते हैं। अब गुरु वंदना के लिए मैं डॉक्टर पंकज सदाफल जी, जो मैमसी के पूर्व छात्र हैं और जिन्होंने बनारस घराने की 300 वर्षों पुरानी संगीत परंपरा के महान गुरु पंडित राजन साजन मिश्र के सानिध्य में शास्त्रीय गायन की विधिवत शिक्षा प्राप्त की है, और उनके साथ हमारे कॉन्फ्लुएंस सोसाइटी के सदस्यों को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। आइए इस सुंदर प्रस्तुति का आनंद लें। डॉक्टर पंकज जी की मधुर आवाज, प्रत्यक्षा जी का सितार, अभिमन्यु जी का हारमोनियम और अमृत जी का तबला, सबने मिलकर वातावरण को भक्तिमय बना दिया। आप सभी का दिल से धन्यवाद।
Gurukul, founded in 2017, is an initiative by students, residents, and faculty of Maulana Azad Medical College who came up together to provide a conducive environment for everyone at MAMC. Our vision is to make a tangible difference to the campus and to unite everyone into a family that every Maulanian is proud to call its own. 5th September, that is tomorrow, also marks the foundation day of Gurukul. And on that note, we wish you all a very happy Gurukul day in advance. So let's see the glimpse of a journey through this video.
Now, we would like to invite on stage Jatin and Ayushi to present our annual report for the year 2024 to 2025.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Jatin,
And I, Ayushi.
are here to present the annual report of Gurukul for the year 2024 to 2025. Let me introduce you to the various verticals of Gurukul.
Chopal, a vibrant platform for ideas, creativity, and collective problem solving, continued its journey this year with more than 40 engaging sessions. A series of workshops on financial literacy and time management equipped participants with practical tools extending beyond medicine. Research focused sessions gave students hands on exposure to initiating meaningful projects, right from why to how and to applying the same. Alumni guidance further enriched the platform with Dr. Ananya Vadera, batch of 2018, sharing valuable insights on USMLE preparation. Dr. Tejas Sethi also conducted an engaging session on maximally utilizing quizzes during medical school.
Book discussion on dopamine detox. Participants actively engage in discussion and share their personal experiences as well. Session by radiation oncologist Dr. Kuldeep Sharma on how our lifestyle affect oncogenesis. An inspiring Q&A session with Amrut Bang on youth flourishing. Dr. Farah Hussain, senior specialist in anesthesia, led a unique session on Synergy playlist highlighting the healing power of music. Creativity and fun found space through the embroidery workshop, which drew enthusiastic participation.
Chopal remained a space to learn from inspiring figures. Sessions like Searching for Meaning in Life by Dr. Yogesh Karkonde and the farewell session for Dr. Pavinder Lal, former head of Department of Surgery, where he revisited his journey at MAMC. He left a deep impact, reminding participants of the values of purpose and legacy.
DOST is a dedicated mental health initiative. On World Suicide Prevention Day, DOST released its first ever student made short film, Kadam. The event, attended by 200 plus viewers, and left a deep emotional impact. A powerful awareness reel, myth versus fact, breaking the silence on the suicide. Students, residents, and faculties participated to debunk misconception, encouraging a culture of truth and openness around suicide.
Those conducted an interactive webinar on mental well-being for postgraduate residents by Dr. Bhavna Barni and Dr. Mahima Kapoor. The session emphasized stress management, self-care practices, and support systems. World Mental Health Day was celebrated with a ribbon drive. Over 700 green ribbons were distributed across labs, lecture halls, and hospitals, symbolizing solidarity for mental health. The seventh edition of MAMC 101 welcomed 100 plus first year students of batch 2024 for an interactive introduction to campus life by seniors. Games, Q&A sessions, and shared experiences eased the transition.
Awareness about eating disorders was spread through daily Instagram cases highlighting features, prevalence, and their treatment. A mirror with positive quotes was placed beside those quotes to promote body positivity, inviting students to take selfies and spread the message. Inside Out was an experiential event for authentic emotional expression. Participants began with a mood chart, followed by an open mic with three speakers and a relay painting session with six teams, blending reflection with creativity. As the first pro for Batch 2024 drew near, those organized the exam de-stress program to reduce stress, provide PYQs, tips, and notes. Volunteers from Batch 2023 guided juniors, making the program supportive and effective. Understanding the challenges students face during examination, MAMCO ANA, the MAMC Alumni Association of North America, partnered with Gurukul to launch the Peak Mind app to provide mental, physical, and emotional support to the students. This was possible with the support of Dr. Nandita Gupta, President MAMCO ANA. She is here with us today.
Doctors and community service. Docs are the forefront of Gurukul, diving into rural and underserved communities. Students visited Jan Swasthya Sahyog, JSS Bilaspur, and gained valuable insights into community-based healthcare. Dr. Anurag Mishra, along with residents of surgery and gynae, attended a surgical training workshop
at Arohi in Mukteshwar district. They screened patients, helped in surgical care of 30 plus patients over 2 days.
Under Gurukul, an interdepartmental cricket tournament was held at Mamsi during November to December 2024, bringing together 12 departments on the Shushrata hostel ground. The final on 21st of December saw the Ortho Blaster, led by Dr. Vineet Bajaj, defeat the Drug Devils to claim the championship.
Mitra is a Gurukul's effort to foster a mentor-mentee bond created to guide and support medicos throughout their journey. In essence, a Mitra in need is a Mitra indeed.
Gurukul, as a proud partner of Mashal, a unique leadership program for healthcare, organized the Mashal West 2025 at Rajghat Gandhi Darshan from 15th to 17th of August. The program was attended by 21 mid-level professionals from across the countries. Student version of Mashal is scheduled to be held in October.
Over the past few years, Gurukul has systematically collected feedback from students and residents through anonymous surveys. The purpose of these surveys was to assess Gurukul's impact on students and campus life. The bar graphs presented here represent the survey findings from 3 different years, 2020, 2023, and 2025. Across these years, students reported a significant improvement in multiple domains that were evaluated. The findings reflect a positive shift in the overall environment and interpersonal relationships. This particular graph illustrates the overall perception of Gurukul among students and residents. Consistently across all 3 years, we observed an approval rating of nearly 90 to 95%. This is the financial report of the outgoing year. Gurukul invites you and looks forward to working together in coming years, and these are the issues we would like to work in future. Thank you. I would now like to invite Ritu and Shivika on stage.